Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
We have just argued the bail applications. We are waiting for the order. That's all I can say right now. Yeah.
In the court means like we have moved a bail. See, Sonam was granted bail yesterday, so we took the same plea. That's the arrest was not proper. The arrest was not proper, and it was not in as mandated for the arrest procedure. So that is what we have also taken the plea.
So, has the court order?
Yes. The court has reserved the order, so we are expecting order any moment, maybe little late in the evening.
So you have a good reason to believe that you will be getting bail. Your clients will be getting.
Fingers crossed, because we don't know. It's up to the wisdom of the court. We have whatever we have to do, we have done, and that's all. That's it.
You are taking up this bail for all the four accused.
Yes, we have been approached by the parents of the accused persons, and then except for Sonam, the rest of the accused, I'm taking up the matter. Me and my team are taking up the matter. Early to say, the police have done their job at their best, but as a defense lawyer, we'll have to find the loopholes of the police investigations, and then we see the police claim is a watertight charge sheet, and I believe so.